The bowling teams of the SWAC rode into Huntsville this weekend as Alabama A&M University hosted the SWAC East Regional. The three-day competition brought together every conference bowling program for intense head-to-head action on the lanes. The Lady Bulldogs came out firing on day one, showing strong form and confidence early in the tournament. However, day two proved challenging as they faced some of the conference's top-ranked teams. Head coach James Moore spoke with us about the obstacles the team encountered during tournament play.
It was a grind. The whole time was a grind. The lanes were kind of tough. The lanes kind of broke down here and there, but we battled the whole weekend long. We averaged about 850, 860 every game for like 14 games. It was tough, but the kids, the girls, the team, they held together and they got it done.
Despite the setbacks, Alabama A&M's leading bowlers responded in a big way. Alexis Orchard and Rose Gubernata powered the comeback effort, finishing second and third in individual scoring. Freshman standout Michelle Westmoreland led all first-year competitors, continuing to make her mark this season. When the final pins fell, the Lady Bulldogs secured a fourth-place finish overall. As the team shifts its focus towards the postseason competition, Gubernata emphasized how important fan support will be moving forward.
Yes, absolutely. The louder it is back there, the louder we are and the more pumped we get. You'll see us in Dallas. Last year we had family from everybody and it was so loud and it was so amazing, and it really helps every single bit. So everyone that came out, we are so grateful for them, yes.
I'm Sterling Jefferson, student reporter for the Alabama A&M front page on WJAB-TV, your AAMU Bulldog Media.